So here, there's this thing with the trailer there called the Boll Buggy, and it's coming out to the cotton stripper known as the combine harvester. And basically what's going to happen here is the combine is going to dump its payload of cotton. This is pure cotton right out of this field. Yep, see, he's going to dump his entire payload into this Boll Buggy, and the Boll Buggy's going to take it over there to the module builder. This is amazing, it really is. This is just great. This is, wow. So many Americans never get to experience this. Just watching, this cotton stripping straight out of these little plants grow your t-shirts, basically. That's kind of,